Welcome to our latest video, the most destructive hurricanes of the last decade. In this presentation, we will take a deep dive into some of the most devastating hurricanes that have struck the globe, detailing their catastrophic impacts and the stories of resilience that emerged in their aftermath. From Hurricane Sandy's sheer force to Hurricane Ida's relentless rainfall, we'll explore the terrifying power of these natural disasters and the lessons learned from their destruction. Join us as we recount these unforgettable storms that changed lives and landscapes forever. 1. Hurricane Sandy. The superstorm's wrath. In 2012, Hurricane Sandy, often dubbed as Superstorm Sandy, became one of the most memorable hurricanes of the decade. It wasn't just the intensity but its sheer size that left a lasting impact. Affecting 24 states, including the entire eastern seaboard, Sandy caused unprecedented flooding, particularly in New York City. The storm surge breached its defenses, flooding subways and streets, turning the bustling city into a ghost town. Sandy's path of destruction led to an estimated $70 billion in damages, making it one of the costliest hurricanes in U.S. history. Moreover, millions were left without power, and the storm claimed over 230 lives across 8 countries. 2. Hurricane Harvey. Unprecedented rainfall. Hurricane Harvey made landfall in Texas in 2017, and its record-breaking rainfall brought the region to its knees. What made Harvey particularly devastating was its slow movement, dumping over 60 inches of rain in some areas. Houston, the nation's 4th largest city, was submerged, with thousands of homes and businesses damaged or destroyed. The storm caused catastrophic flooding, leading to over $125 billion in damages. Harvey also highlighted issues of urban planning and infrastructure, as the city struggled to cope with the unexpected deluge. It's an event that many Texans will remember for a lifetime. 3. Hurricane Maria. Puerto Rico's nightmare. In 2017, Hurricane Maria ravaged the island of Puerto Rico, leaving a trail of destruction that would take years to recover from. With winds reaching 155 miles per hour, Maria was a Category 4 hurricane when it made landfall. The entire island was left without power, and basic necessities became scarcer than ever. Infrastructure was heavily damaged, and the storm caused an estimated $90 billion in damages. Tragically, the death toll rose into the thousands, as the hurricane also exposed the vulnerabilities in Puerto Rico's infrastructure and response strategies. For the residents, Maria was not just a storm, but a life-altering event. 4. Hurricane Irma. The relentless fury. Hurricane Irma, a Category 5 storm, swept through the Caribbean and Florida in 2017, leaving devastation in its wake. With sustained winds peaking at 185 miles per hour, Irma was one of the strongest hurricanes ever recorded in the Atlantic. The Caribbean islands, including Barbuda and Saint Martin, faced near total destruction, with structures flattened and landscapes irreparably altered. Florida braced for impact, and while it was spared the worst, the state still faced significant damage and widespread power outages. Irma's ferocity and the vast area it affected made it a hurricane that will not soon be forgotten. 5. Hurricane Dorian. The slow-moving beast. In 2018, Hurricane Michael made an unexpected and powerful landfall in the Florida Panhandle as a Category 5 hurricane. With winds reaching 160 miles per hour, it was the first Category 5 storm to hit the continental U.S. since Andrew in 1992. Cities like Mexico Beach and Panama City were left in ruins, with homes and businesses completely destroyed. The storm caused an estimated $25 billion in damages and resulted in 74 fatalities. Michael served as a stark reminder of how quickly storms can intensify and the importance of timely evacuation and preparation. 6. Hurricane Michael. The unforeseen monster. In 2018, Hurricane Michael made an unexpected and powerful landfall in the Florida Panhandle as a Category 5 hurricane. With winds reaching 160 miles per hour, it was the first Category 5 storm to hit the continental U.S. since Andrew in 1992. Cities like Mexico Beach and Panama City were left in ruins, with homes and businesses completely destroyed. The storm caused an estimated $25 billion in damages and resulted in 74 fatalities. Michael served as a stark reminder of how quickly storms can intensify and the importance of timely evacuation and preparation. 7. Hurricane Florence. The relentless downpour Hurricane Florence made landfall in North Carolina in 2018 and is remembered for its relentless rainfall and slow movement. While it was only a Category 1 hurricane upon landfall, its impact was catastrophic due to the torrential rains and widespread flooding. Some areas received up to 35 inches of rain, leading to swollen rivers and breached dams. Thousands of homes were flooded, and the storm caused an estimated $24 billion in damages. Florence showcased the deadly potential of water, even when wind speeds aren't at their peak. 8. Hurricane Ida. A test of resilience. In 2021, Hurricane Ida made landfall in Louisiana as a Category 4 hurricane on the anniversary of Hurricane Katrina. With winds of 150 miles per hour, Ida caused significant damage to infrastructure and left 1 million people without power. The storm moved through the northeastern United States, causing historic flooding in New York City and New Jersey. The damage was extensive, with costs estimated at $65 billion. Ida tested the resilience of communities that had already faced numerous challenges from previous storms. The lessons learned from Ida continue to shape disaster preparedness and response strategies today.